Whether you're jetting off to New York City, strolling the canals of Venice, or exploring the neon streets of Tokyo, there's one question every traveler needs to ask before packing their bags. What are the most important items you'll need for the city you're going to? Because the truth is, every destination is different. From comfy shoes for endless city blocks, to power adapters that keep you charged, to the little things like a scarf for modest sights or a reusable water bottle for all-day exploring. The essentials change with every place you visit. So in this video, we'll break down exactly what you should bring and why it matters so you can travel smart, pack light, and make the most of every amazing city on your list. Let's check it out. Why are gloves the most important thing to bring to San Francisco? Because in San Francisco, the weather loves to play tricks on you. One minute you're basking in the sun at Fisherman's Wharf, and the next you're shivering as fog rolls over the Golden Gate. Even in summer, the wind whipping through the city's steep streets and across its famous bay can make the air feel surprisingly chilly. A good pair of gloves keeps your hands warm when that classic San Francisco fog sweeps in, especially if you're sailing out to Alcatraz, walking across the windy bridge, or watching the sunset from Twin Peaks. In San Francisco, gloves aren't just for winter. They're your secret weapon against the city's unpredictable, blustery microclimates, so you can enjoy every breathtaking view comfortably. Why is an umbrella the most important thing to bring to Vancouver? Because in Vancouver, rain isn't just a possibility, it's practically a local trademark. This stunning coastal city is surrounded by mountains and the Pacific Ocean, creating a mild climate that comes with plenty of drizzle, mist, and those famous gentle showers that can roll in at any moment. Whether you're exploring the vibrant neighborhoods of Gastown, cycling the seawall around Stanley Park, or browsing outdoor markets at Granville Island, a trusty umbrella ensures you can keep going no matter what the clouds decide to do. Plus, locals are so accustomed to the rain, life rarely slows down for it. And with a good umbrella, neither will you. In Vancouver, an umbrella isn't just a travel accessory, it's your passport to enjoying this lush green city without skipping a beat. Why is sunscreen the most important thing to pack for Madrid? Because in Madrid, the sun is no joke. This vibrant Spanish capital sits high on a plateau and enjoys more than 300 days of sunshine a year, meaning those clear blue skies and warm golden rays are almost always overhead. Whether you're wandering through the grand boulevards, relaxing in Retiro Park, or exploring lively outdoor terraces and markets, it's easy to lose track of time under the brilliant Spanish sun and end up with a painful burn. A good sunscreen protects your skin so you can spend long afternoons soaking up Madrid's cafe culture, marveling at outdoor art, or watching the city come alive at sunset without paying the price later. In Madrid, sunscreen isn't just a summer essential, it's your ticket to enjoying Spain's radiant capital safely, beautifully, and all day long. Why is a jacket the most important thing to pack for London? Because in London, the weather is famously unpredictable. You can start your morning under sunny blue skies, only to get caught in a sudden drizzle by lunchtime, and then find yourself shivering under cloudy gusts an hour later. A lightweight, water-resistant jacket is your best friend here. It keeps you dry during those classic London showers, warm when the temperature dips, and comfortable as you hop between iconic sites like the Tower of London, Westminster Abbey, or stroll along the Thames. Plus, with London's stylish locals, the right jacket does double duty, keeping you looking effortlessly chic while also prepared for whatever the British weather decides to throw your way. In London, a good jacket isn't just practical. It's your daily survival kit. Why is a hat the most important thing to pack for Paris? Because in Paris, a hat is more than just protection from the sun. It's part of the experience. Whether you're strolling along the Seine, people watching from a cafe terrace in Saint-Germain, or exploring charming market streets in Montmartre, a stylish hat keeps you shaded on bright days and effortlessly blends you into the city's famously fashionable atmosphere. It also adds that perfect finishing touch to your travel photos. Imagine standing before the Eiffel Tower or wandering through the Jardin des Tuileries with a classic wide brim or chic beret. In Paris, a hat isn't just practical, it's your little nod to the city's timeless elegance, letting you feel like a local, not just a tourist. Why is Dramamine the most important thing to pack for Denver? Because while Denver itself sits a mile high, it's often just the starting point for breathtaking day trips into the Rocky Mountains, where winding roads, sudden elevation changes, and switchbacks can leave even the toughest travelers feeling a little queasy. Whether you're driving up to Estes Park, taking a tour through Rocky Mountain National Park, or simply navigating the scenic routes outside the city, the combination of high altitudes and curvy mountain roads can trigger motion sickness fast. Packing Dramamine means you'll be free to enjoy jaw-dropping views, wildlife sightings, and alpine lakes without spending the ride with your eyes closed and stomach in knots. In Denver, Dramamine isn't just travel medicine. It's your ticket to enjoying the Rockies without a queasy detour. Why are shoes the most important item for Rome? Because in Rome, the best way to truly experience the city is on foot, wandering its winding cobblestone streets, climbing the Spanish steps, exploring ancient ruins like the Roman Forum, and getting lost in charming piazzas you won't find on any map. Those beautiful old stones that make Rome so enchanting, they're also uneven, hard on your feet, and slippery when it rains. A good pair of comfortable, supportive shoes can be the difference between marveling at the Colosseum with a smile or limping back to your hotel by noon. In Rome, your shoes aren't just footwear. They're your passport to discovering every hidden corner of the eternal city. Why are noise-canceling earbuds the most important thing to bring to Hong Kong? Because Hong Kong is a bustling, high-energy metropolis that rarely slows down, from the packed MTR stations and buzzing street markets to the skyscraper-lined avenues alive with movement and sound. Whether you're navigating the city's efficient but crowded public transit, sipping milk tea in a busy cafe, or trying to catch some rest between long days of sightseeing, noise-canceling earbuds can be a game-changer. They help you focus, recharge, or relax, even in the middle of Hong Kong's beautifully organized chaos. Plus, they're perfect for tuning into podcasts, maps, or your favorite travel playlist while exploring everything from Victoria Peak to Temple Street Night Market. In Hong Kong, noise-canceling earbuds aren't just for convenience. They're your pocket-sized escape when you need a moment of calm in the city that never truly quiets down. Why is a day pack the most important thing to bring to New York City? Because in New York, you'll be on the move all day, every day, from the towering streets of Manhattan to the artsy corners of Brooklyn and the green escape of Central Park. The city invites you to explore nonstop. A comfortable, lightweight day pack lets you carry everything you need: water, snacks, a light jacket, portable charger, hand sanitizer, and more, without weighing you down. And in a fast-paced city where you might not return to your hotel until late, it's your mobile base camp. Bonus points if it's theft-resistant, with hidden zippers or anti-slash straps, especially when navigating crowded subways or busy spots like Times Square. In New York, a smart day pack isn't just a bag. It's your survival kit, your camera gear hauler, your snack vault, and your city sidekick. Don't leave your hotel without it. Why are sunglasses the most important thing to bring to Los Angeles? Because in LA, the sun is always part of the scene. Whether you're cruising down Sunset Boulevard, hiking up to the Hollywood sign, shopping on Melrose, or just people watching at Venice Beach, you'll quickly realize this city shines bright. A comfortable UV protective pair of sunglasses isn't just about style, though in LA that definitely counts. It's about keeping your eyes protected during long days in constant sunlight and being able to take in all the glamour and grit without squinting. Plus, when you're sitting in traffic, strolling Rodeo Drive, or catching golden hour over the Pacific, sunglasses are that essential blend of function and fashion that LA practically invented. In Los Angeles, sunglasses aren't an accessory. They're a daily necessity, a style statement, and your shield from that endless California sun. Why is a reusable coffee cup the most important thing to bring to Melbourne? Because in Melbourne, coffee isn't just a drink, it's a way of life. This city is world famous for its cafe culture, with hidden laneway espresso bars, artisanal roasters, and passionate baristas who take their brews seriously. A reusable coffee cup not only helps you blend in with the locals, who always seem to have one in hand, but also aligns with the city's eco-conscious vibe. Many Melbourne cafes even offer discounts if you bring your own cup. Bonus. From sipping a flat white on a morning tram ride to discovering your new favorite brew in Carlton or Collingwood, this small item keeps you caffeinated, stylish, and sustainable. In Melbourne, a reusable coffee cup isn't just smart. It's your passport to fitting right in with one of the most coffee-obsessed cities on Earth.